Okay, here we go. This is so wild. Oh, I can't believe we never broke this handle off years ago. But, okay, this is the 1975 Paramount Pictures Corporation, MEGO, Star Trek Enterprise. My parents bought this for me when I was in grade school. And my brother and I, oh gosh, this was our favorite toy. It's my Spock doll. You can see he's in really good shape. I took really good care of him. I've always appreciated how much they made that look like Leonard too. And the little insignia and his phaser and communicator still there. Captain Kirk did not fare as well. This was my brother's action figure. He was played a little more aggressively. Yeah. Kind of looks like Shatner. Yeah, still there, but he's in pieces. Oh my God! And this was the thing to have, boy. Here's the old captain's chair. You can see the stickers are a little warped. We weren't great at putting on stickers. Let's see. Put some. Oh, one of the chairs came apart. That's okay. Oh God, all this stuff is so dusty. And these are the little view screens. Yeah, used to be able to put those up on the little hooks so you could see where your mission was headed. These actually still look pretty good. Oh, I'm shocked. Most of this is cardboard. I'm shocked that his nut disintegrated with the all dust. That'll be the first thing to get off, I guess. And let's see. You may have seen this on Big Bang Theory. I remember they had an episode where Sheldon played with the transporter, and you just spin it around, and there's a doll in there. There. Oh, Scotty. Yeah, there's our Scotty doll. We had Scotty. Oh, dropped his phaser. We had Scotty and Bones. We lost the Bones doll. And we lost a bunch of the phasers and communicators and stuff. But yeah, this was the best. You get the green button, red button, and that's how it shaped out. So, well, I don't know if this can be repaired. The fact that these stayed together so well is a pretty good. I used to love these. It's really good because the knees bend and the wrists went up and down, and they were pretty good quality for the 70s. They did things that other action figures didn't do. But gosh, I'm pretty sure they don't make these anymore. And I found this a couple of years ago in my mom's garage, but I had just come home. I couldn't do anything about it. And but I went back and got it recently. And so today we're gonna try to clean it and see how it works out, because this plastic is pretty fragile.